Have you wondered how to easily create an FBM or an FBA SKU for the same ASIN? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how to do it in a matter of minutes. I'm Dylan Heathcote from AMZ Joy. Let's jump into the video. Okay, starting off, we're going to head over to our Manage Inventory page. Open up the menu, Manage All Inventory. And this is how easy it is. So find the ASIN that you want to create either an FBA or an FBM SKU for, basically the opposite of what already exists. So let's use this product as an example. We're going to, on the right hand side, we're going to click the drop down menu, the three dots. And all we're going to select is, let me find it for a second, add another condition. So select that. Now, this is literally how we are creating, in this example, an FBM SKU for this ASIN. It's so simple. So let's just do FBM example for the SKU. Quantity, I'm going to do 0 because I'm not actually doing FBM. Your price, let's go $19.99. Condition new. I will ship this item myself, which is fulfilled by merchant FBM. And then save, I'm going to turn off BIL or manage offers in other marketplaces and then save and finish. That is literally it. Now give it time. It can take up to 15 minutes, even hours in some cases. And your SKU or your new SKU will appear in no time. That's how to easily create an FBA or FBM SKU for the same ASIN that already exists. Thanks for watching. I'm Dylan Heathcote from AMZ Joy.